In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Microsoft Word file on a PC using OneDrive. Let's start from the point where you already have a Word document open on your computer. This could be a brand new document you've just typed, or an existing one you've been editing. Before you save it, make sure you've typed at least some content so you can easily recognize the file later by its contents and title. At the top left corner of the Word window, look for the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Backstage view, which is where all the main document options live, like saving, opening, and printing. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Choose Save As. This is the option that lets you decide exactly where the file will be stored and what it will be called. Once you click Save As, you'll see several location options. Look for OneDrive. This is Microsoft's cloud storage service, and saving here means your document will be backed up online and accessible from other devices when you sign in with the same account. Click on OneDrive, and if you're signed in, you'll see your OneDrive folders appear. Now, choose the specific folder where you want this document to live. For example, you might have a Documents folder or a School or Work folder inside OneDrive. Take a moment to pick a folder that makes sense, so you can easily find the file later. When you've chosen the folder, move down to the file name box at the bottom of the window. Type a clear, descriptive name for your document. Instead of something generic like Document 1, try using a title that tells you exactly what the file is, such as Meeting Notes March or Essay Draft. A good file name will save you time when you're searching for it in the future. Next, make sure the Save As type is set to Word document, which is the standard .docx format. This ensures your file will open correctly in Word on other devices and stay fully editable. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. Word will now store your file in OneDrive. After it's saved, you can keep working, and Word will usually autosave your changes as you go, especially if you see autosave turned on near the top of the window. That's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your Microsoft Word file to OneDrive on your PC.